if you want to create videos on the IPL news, then watch this video.
Victory over Mumbai Indians in Chennai. The star of the match, Noor Ahmed, the young left-arm wrist spinner, was absolutely sensational, picking up 4 wickets for just 18 runs, dismantling Me's batting lineup.
You see, you see, I created this IPL news video with the help of just AI. I use Canva, I use ChatGPT, and this secret tool. So if you want to make videos for IPL cricket, then watch this video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel because I have ultimate secrets that will help you to create content for your YouTube channel with the help of AI. Now, what do you have to do? The first thing is that you have to find out the topic on which you want to create videos. For example, this time I searched uh, match between Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians. So you will get a lot of information. For example, like I just googled on CSK versus MI News, and then I got this match information from ESPN Crick Info. You can like take any topic, you can take any article, and then you can copy the content, right? So let me just go with ESPN Cricket Info. Not this, yeah. After that, what you have to do, you just have to copy the complete content. So just click on like on your keyboard control A and then copy it, right? After that, go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to basically help you with writing the content, or basically you can say a short script. So I give this prompt to ChatGPT: create short script for news video. So you have to specify why do you need this script. So we are making um, news video, right, on the IPL cricket. So that is why I've mentioned create short script for news video. Then paste the content. On the basis of the content that you will provide, ChatGPT will create a short script for you. So this is the short script that I've got. You can create a more shorter version of this script if you want to. So just ask ChatGPT to limit down in, let's say, 100 words, 200 words, 300 words, or whatever words you want to have it, and then ChatGPT will help you to shorter down the version. Once the script is ready, after that, what you need to perform, you need to go to this tool called Verbo from Wondershare. So this Verbo tool from Wondershare has very cool features where you can like identify or choose different avatars on the basis of different languages, on the basis of different regions, and then you can also have customized background. So you can see that like they have avatars from USA, Australia, Canada, India, China, and some other countries as well. You can create videos in your native languages as well. For example, like Bengali, Marathi, Hindi, or whichever language you prefer. You can do that, and you can choose different avatars on the basis of the regions as well. So just sign up with your free account, and in the free account you can create a video with the length of 1 minute. And if you want to create more videos, then in the pricing section you can see that they have like different features. So you can see like on the basis of your usage you can choose the plan, and then you can go ahead. So once you sign up with the free version, then what you have to do is like you just need to click on so let me just come to the home page. So you can see that like this is the home page. That is how it looks. You have like different avatars available. You can choose between different AI voices as well. So you are not supposed to do the voiceover as well because this tool does all the things for us. So the first thing that you have to decide is the template on which you want to create videos. So let's say if you want to create the news video, so you just search news content or news video. That will give you a lot of backgrounds with the news version. So you can choose whichever version, whichever background you like. So for example, like in our case, I think because we are creating the videos on the sport, so I think this is the one that we should definitely choose. So you click on create video. The moment you will click on it, then you will be able to see that this is how it looks. You can definitely change the background, you can change the content, you can change the text, you can change the images, you can change the avatar. So the first thing that I'm going to do is like I'm going to delete this transcript because I do not require this. After that, I have to um, give it a appealing of, give it a feeling of IPL. So the first thing that I'm going to do is like I'm going to change the text to IPL 2025. So I'm gonna write IPL 2025. So this is how it will be done. Then I have to change, let's say the match is going between or in the stadium Wankhede. So you select it and then you delete it. So you just write now Wankhede Stadium. So this is how we change the text. I can change the 5th September to, let's say I want to 27th March. Now that's it. So this is how we change the content, right? Over here, let me just write right now CSK versus MI. So this is how it will be done. And now I have to change these logos as well because I do not want them. So just delete this part and then download the logos from Google. So you know how to download the images from Google, right? So download the images of CSK, download the images of MI, and then click on upload, and then you can upload the images directly from here, right? Right now I've already uploaded the images, that is why I'm not uploading it again. So you go into the import section, then you can see all the images that you have uploaded so far. So I have this image, I can definitely choose it, I can resize it. So I can resize it according to my space. So once you are satisfied, you just drag to the right place, and then similarly you have to do it for the Mumbai Indians as well. So you just change the dimensions, set it according to your own needs, and that's it. And then you place it wherever you want to. So I'm just, yeah, so now it's done. So you can see that, like, now I can see CSK versus MI. Yes, that's done. CSK versus MI. After that, obviously over here I can't change this one because there is some limitation. So that is why I have downloaded the IPL logo, and then I'm gonna resize it, and then I'm gonna quickly place it at this place so that I can hide it, the football logo. So now you can see that I have already hidden it. Over here as well you can hide it again. So just resize it according to your own needs, and then just place it wherever you want to. So that's it. So now the branding has been done. CSK versus MI has been done. What's the next part? Next part is to give a feel of Indian, right? So you click on the avatar, and then from the left hand side you can choose many avatars. So if you click on search bar, then you will be able to search it. But if you just go ahead and like you check it from here, so you can choose the avatar that you want to. So there are many avatars available that we can choose from. So I want to give it a feel of India, so that is why I'm looking for someone who looks like Indian or who looks like Asian. So you have to choose. So this person looks like, obviously, like Indian, but he is a doctor, so we can't use him because that will not give a good feeling. So I am gonna use this person because he definitely looks like Asian. So you see, so somewhere or other he looks like an Asian. So now that's also been done. So now this is how we decided and we created. Now whatever content you have got from, whatever script you have got from chat gpt, just copy the same script. So I'm just gonna copy this script, and after that I'm just gonna copy the script, and then I'm gonna paste it in the tool itself. So you click on add scripts, and then you can paste it over here. Also you can change the voiceovers as well. So you can choose a person, you can choose a gender, you can choose a language. So let me go ahead with Hindi. So you can choose different languages as well. So in the Hindi they have like different languages, they have different voiceovers. So you can play it, and then you can identify which one you want to use. So let's play this one first.
वंडर शेयर वर्बो उपयोग में आसान शूट करने की कोई
वंडरशेयर डिजिटल लोगों को प्रसारित करता है.
So this gives more feeling of an Indian. So I'm just gonna choose this one, and then I'm just gonna select it, and then I'm just gonna click on select. So once you have selected it, after that, like, now your voiceover is also done. You have given your text script, and then if you just click over here, you just need to drag and drop, and then you can see that how long your video will be look like. So right now my video will be 10 seconds. Definitely I want a faster version, because if you play the script, so sometimes it takes
Chennai
some time.
Super Kings secured a dominant 4-wicket victory over Mumbai.
So it is quite slow. So if you click on this section where you can customize it, so you can increase the speed as well. So I have
Chennai
increased it to
Super Kings
1.25x.
secured a dominant 4-wicket.
So let's play at the speed of 1.5.
Chennai Super Kings secured a dominant 4-wicket victory over Mumbai Indians in Chennai.
Yeah,
The
guys,
star.
I am completely satisfied with this one, so I am ready to go ahead with this
Chennai
one.
Super Kings
You
secured a
can
dominant
also
4-wicket
upload
victory
your
over
own
Mumbai Indians in
own
Chennai.
voiceovers.
The star.
So, in order to upload your own voiceover with AI, or if you want to record yourself, then you can do it. But
Chennai
I
Super Kings
recommend to
secured a
go
dominant
ahead
4-wicket victory over Mumbai Indians in Chennai.
on
The
my
star of the
YouTube
match,
channel.
Noor Ahmed. The young left-arm wrist spinner was absolutely sensational, picking up 4 wickets for just 18 runs, dismantling Me's batting lineup.
So if you go on my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/@wronglati504, you can see that you can also do voiceover with ChatGPT for free. You can create as long as you want to. So there is no money that you need to pay to do the voiceover with the help of ChatGPT. So watch this video and it will help you. And guys, you can also join my exclusive WhatsApp community where I keep on sharing such stuff, and you can ask whatever you want to. The link is in the description below, guys. So once you have got the voiceover, so you can upload over here, and then it will be done inside like whichever file you have uploaded. So this is how this will look like. Now you will be asking that why this video is not playing if I'm playing from here. The problem is that the moment you won't export it, the moment will not take place. So if you want the lip sync moment and other moments, then you have to export the video first.
Chennai Super Kings secured a dominant 4-wicket victory over.
So right now it is not moving because the we have not exported the video, but the moment you will export the video, then that is how it will look like. So once you are ready, just click on the export button, and then you will be able to export the video, and then the final version will look like something like this. Because I've already exported the video, so I can just show you my. So if you go in the my creations, then I can show you the one that I've just created. So if you just click on play.
Chennai Super Kings secured a dominant 4-wicket victory over Mumbai Indians in Chennai. The star of the match, Noor Ahmed. The young left-arm wrist spinner was absolutely sensational, picking up 4 wickets for just 18 runs, dismantling Me's batting lineup.
So guys, this is how the final video looked like. You just need to click on download, and that's it. Upload it on your channel and boom, get so many views on the IPL itself. So I hope you like the video. If you have liked it, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.